Well lads, so I just left Verdun. Any of you World War I, World War II history buffs must know about Verdun. Well, that's the French cemetery down there. It's a field of dead men. A field of men that died so European nobles could play war, could have a civil war. Was no grand cause. Some good things came out of the chaos. I mean, some countries got independence, some empires collapsed, but overall, it's fucking pointless, fucking useless. This is the land. This is the land. I don't know if there are any battles here or not. I don't know if there are any trenches here or not. No idea. Because the city's obviously grown a lot in 100 years. And the land's been reclaimed. I understand if you're up in the air, you can still see where some of the trenches were, and they still find munitions sometimes. But the land kind of forgets. The land doesn't give a shit about our little fights and just breathing against each other. Yeah. It's worth thinking about, worth looking at in any case.